Be warm, excited. Welcome to Keukenhof, known to many as the Garden of Europe. Imagine 7 million flowers blooming in perfect harmony, creating one of the most awe-inspiring spectacles on Earth. Reflective, serene. Located in the heart of the Netherlands, Keukenhof is where nature's beauty reaches new heights. Every step you take leads to an explosion of color, scent, and pure wonder. Inviting. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, arriving at Keukenhof is always magical. There's a sense of excitement, a childlike anticipation for the beauty waiting inside. Gentle, thoughtful. As you walk through the garden, it's as though time slows down. Each flower bed is like a masterpiece, carefully crafted to showcase nature's most beautiful colors. Joyful. For families, Keukenhof is a dream come true. Watching a child's eyes light up as they run through the tulip fields or discover a new flower, these are moments of pure joy. Warm. Remember when you first saw a flower up close? For kids, these moments spark curiosity. Keukenhof is where the magic of nature can inspire the next generation of dreamers. Peaceful. And it's not just about the flowers. The garden has spaces to rest, reflect, and enjoy the serenity of nature. It's a place to slow down, take in the beauty, and just be. Romantic soft. For some, Keukenhof holds a deeper meaning. Couples find solace in its quiet beauty, sitting by the fountain, watching the sun glisten on the water. Reflective. The garden invites you to reflect on life, love, and everything in between. It reminds us how fleeting yet precious beauty is, much like the tulips themselves. Informative. Behind every bloom lies months of planning and dedication. The gardeners at Keukenhof plant 7 million bulbs each autumn, ensuring spring is nothing short of spectacular. Appreciative. It's a labor of love. Every detail, every bed is designed to create harmony and inspire awe in visitors who experience this living masterpiece. Serene. Keukenhof is also a place of reflection. For those seeking solitude, the garden offers quiet paths through shaded groves, hidden spots to sit, reflect, and simply be. Excited. And the magic doesn't end in the garden. You can also enjoy boat tours through the tulip fields. Seeing the endless rows of color stretch out is an unforgettable sight. Awe-inspired. From there, you witness the full grandeur of the Dutch countryside in spring, a view that will stay with you long after you leave. Grateful warm. As the day comes to a close and the golden light touches the flowers, there's a peace that lingers. Keukenhof isn't just a garden. It's where memories bloom alongside the flowers. Soft, reflective. So come experience Keukenhof for yourself. Let the flowers awaken your senses and inspire you. The memories you make here will last a lifetime. Inviting. Keukenhof, a world of beauty awaits you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Your support helps us to bring you more stories.